Chicken Spaghetti Casserole. This dish combines chicken and rich creamy spaghetti with a cheesy panko breadcrumb topping. The casserole is then baked until the cheese is melty and the crust is golden brown. You are going to love it. Let's make it. Break your spaghetti noodles in half and then cook according to directions. In a large bowl, mix sour cream, melted butter, cream of chicken soup, garlic, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, and chicken broth. Stir in chicken and your spaghetti noodles. Add to a greased casserole dish, then top with cheddar cheese. In a small mixing bowl, combine panko breadcrumbs with melted butter, then mix in grated Parmesan cheese. Top the casserole with the panko breadcrumbs. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Let it rest for 5 or more minutes, then garnish with freshly chopped Italian parsley. You can find the full recipe with all the measurements and additional cooking tips at aforkstail.com.